2 days ago, I planted some more lettuce seeds as my plants in my hydroponic system are already ready to harvest. So I thought when I planted these next round of lettuce seeds that I would go ahead and try my green bean again. And I thought maybe I needed to push my bean down further into the rock wool in order for this to work. So I want to give an update on how that's going. So I planted 2 green beans, one off the heat mat and one on the heat mat, but I pushed them further down into the rock wool, further than I pushed them down last time, and it's a pretty large bean. Nothing's really happening off the heat mat, but on the heat mat, I just want to show you here, it looks like something is growing off of the green bean there. I think that's a root. So I think this might be successful. I thought it was pretty interesting, so I'll check in the next few days to see how this is working.
I came downstairs today to check on my lettuces and how they're doing, and I think I've mistakenly completely cooked my green bean again. This is time number 3 of trying. And you can see that there's a root there, but the actual green bean looks toasted. I think I left it on the heat mat too long. I'm going to move it out and see what happens. This is my other green bean that I never put on the heat mat. And it looks to be like oozing a little bit of substance. I don't know. I'm going to have to try again, I think. 4 days ago, I planted my 5th green bean as my other ones had failed. And after 1 day, it sprouted. And so I took it off the heat mat and I just have it in this propagation tray with the dome on. And it's growing really well. It already has a nice root coming out of the bottom. You know, what I'm really learning in this process is that some seeds just won't germinate, even under the same conditions you did them before. And you just have to know when it didn't work and just try again. I have seen that with my lettuces. My arugula sprouted perfectly, just like it did the first time. My mixed lettuce varieties, 2 of them actually did not germinate at all, and I had to throw them away. And 2 Tropicana also did not germinate at all. You're not always going to get it right. Seeds are not always going to do what they're meant to do. But we finally have success with this green bean. Yay.